All right, my Amazon family. Special thanks to this company for sending me their 2-pack of 20-watt USB-C chargers. As you can see, compatible with most mobile phone and iPad. Should just say compatible with almost everything because almost everything uses USB-C type to charge now. Nothing on the edges of the box. Made in China, and the back just has the specifications. Total power of 2 outputs is 40 watts max, and it's USB-C. You can see the amperage and voltage there. And again, special thanks to the company for sending this out my way. So we're gonna open this one on up. Ooh, it's like a box in a box. Look at that. That's it for this box. Little tiny user's manual for the RLC 511. Not much you need. And these are the actual plugs. Very nice. That's all that's in that. And yes, as always, I say please take your plastic off to avoid a fire hazard. Nice glossy white finish. Can't complain with that at all. Will look good in any household or wherever you use this at. Normal plug, it doesn't fold down or anything, and just a single USB-C port there on the bottom. Plug in whatever cable you need and you're charging at up to 20 watts as long as your cable supports 20 watt charging and as long as your device can handle 20 watt charging. Don't forget those two factors. Well, there you go. That should do it for this 20 watt USB-C charger unboxing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.